Okay, this is your bonus question that will appear on your Chapter 7 final exam. Of course, the numbers won't be the same, but the idea behind all of the levels are. So the first thing says that this square here multiplied by this square here equals the one above it, which is this one. That's what the multiplication symbol means there. So if that's true, then the area, or the product of the two, divided by the side that I know, or divided by the term that I know, will equal the missing term, because that's the same. So that's how you would do it. So in order to do that, you'll use distributive property. Each of the three terms in the trinomial must be divided by -5. So a negative 10x squared divided by -5, that will make a positive 2x squared. So your first term will be 2x squared, or another way to think of it, 2x squared multiplied by -5 is negative 10x squared. Your second term, which is negative 5x. Negative 5x divided by -5. Negative 5 divided by -5 is going to be a 1 over 1, leaving me with just x, or 1x over 1, which is simply x, or a positive x. Another way to think of that is negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And your third term, which is the 20 constant, a positive 20 divided by a negative 5 is a negative 4. So what we've done is we figured out the first step in our pyramid, and we got that as the solution. Now once we know that, we have to multiply these two together to get the one above it. So we're going to take our monomial, keep it there, and multiply it by our trinomial right here. And in order to do that, you need to use distributive property. Each of those terms must be multiplied by negative 2x. So negative 2x multiplied by 2x squared will be a negative 4x cubed, because x times x times x is x cubed. Negative 2x multiplied by x will be negative 2x squared. And finally, negative 2x multiplied by negative 4. So negative multiplied by a negative is a positive. And 2x multiplied by 4 is 8x. So now you have your second level. And here's where a lot of people kind of screw up. As the next step is you have to add those two stairs to get the one above it. So you take a negative 10x squared minus 5x plus 20. That trinomial plus the other trinomial, which is negative 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8x, and you're going to add them together. Now, this is a question actually from Chapter 5, adding trinomials to trinomials, and you have to gather like terms is another way to say it. And when you have all these terms, the first term you should gather is the term that has the highest degree. And this term right here, the negative 4x cubed, is the term with the highest degree. So which should be the first thing you gather. There are no other x cubes, so you cannot gather them with any other like terms. Remember, like terms are those that have the same variable and the same exponent. The next ones we're going to gather are our x squareds. We have negative 10x squared there, and negative 2x squared there, for a negative 12x squared when I add those two terms together. A negative 5x and a positive 8x will be a positive 3x. And the constant of positive 20, since the other trinomial doesn't have a constant, there is just the constant of positive 20. And my solution for the top step of my pyramid, we'll cut this. I'll bring it up here. Oh, wrong picture. Bring it here. Oh, hello. Right click into here, paste. Oh, that didn't work out half as well as I thought it would. But your solution is negative 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 3x plus 20.